but I don't know the English. I just need loading. Wow, welcome to my channel. Thank you. It's G. G. Gigi. Gigi is from where? Shout out to G. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the one who joined. I will make a moderator. Oh, thank you, Gigi, for. I'm very happy that I have a member. I have also the one who buy super thanks, super chat, super stickers. Thank you so much. Make me heart, okay? Heart, big or small? A heart. Thank you, Gigi and Genesis. Hello, you're from Gigi. You are from why? Guys, make your comment. Be good to my live, guys, because when you comment bad in my live, it affects to my channel. So please say hi and what's this? Thank you, the two of you. Hello, Green River. Magandang gabi dito. Magandang gabi din sa iyo, Iho. Anong na... Where are you? Philippines. I am from Philippines. The fun is so nice. Oh, look at the fun. The fun. Try to my 161. Katulog na din. Wait. Ayun na good pag saba-saba dia. Kaya muna akong kuan. Muna akong panginabuhi. Di wala na pista diha. Wala ito ana. Hello, Colby Johnson from Virginia, USA. Shout out from USA. Si Colby Jones. Hi, Colby Jones. Invite you to join my membership. Membership like this one, GJ and Johnny Sins. Right? Johnny Sins. Who buy super chat or super stickers? I don't know. Hi everyone, good evening. How are you? I'm fine. Fine. I'm very fine. Hello to my 223. Please share live, share. Labor Pakistan. Hello, Reese. Reese is from US. What's that stands for? How do I look like? Sorry, my internet is low. You're in the wrong app, Mamacita. Okay. Okay, now, bro. I don't know what's talking. Yes, I'm going to live. You're a sexy girl. Sexy. Hi. Hi to the one. Hi to... What's this? Lieutenant Garcia. Wala na yung nag-join members. Thank you, Gigi. Where are you? Hello and hello. I'm from India. Thank you. You're from India. I'm fine, Reese. Sino pa doon? Hindi ko nabasa. Sino? Indonesia, shout out. Hello to Gigi. Kidney and you're beautiful. I would like to say your view and be your life forever. Oh, really? Thank you for that nice message. Why was the message so bad? Talong. The eggplant.